Hey guys, this is Garima from Idle Doodle. This is the second part of how to make a mandala from scratch, or the beginner's guide of how to make a mandala. So in this video, we are going to make intricate patterns, and you can totally skip this video if you want to, if you're really curious on going to straight away make the mandala. So you can watch the first video, which is how to make basic patterns and what is the meaning of mandala, and the third video that how we make a basic stencil of mandala and a basic mandala. So in this video we are going to combine 2-3 basic patterns and make an intricate pattern out of it. So this video is basically for all those people who like intricate designs, intricate detailing into their artwork, and have a lot of patience. So let's get started with the video. Here I am going to again use the same dotted notebook that I used in the part 1 video of the basic patterns, and a basic ruler and a Staedtler pigment liner in the nib 0.3. In this video, I am going to show you 16 intricate patterns. Now here I am taking 2 lines of the dots and combining at one point to form a leaf. This is why dotted or square paper helps. Now again, I would like to repeat that for some people this video might be too fast and for some it might be too slow. You can regulate the speed of the video in the YouTube player. Click on the settings icon and then you will see speed icon. Click on that and you can select the speed you desire to watch on. I still remember when I was a child, I used to whine in front of my mom, comparing with other people that see that person's drawings are just so perfect, and she used to always say to me that practice makes a man perfect. So I have stuck by this rule, and I would highly recommend you also to stick by this rule. I personally believe I am not still perfect at this art form, and practice makes you perfect. Don't compare yourself with others. Just get started if you feel like trying this art form, and do tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your drawings. subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell notification as well for the next part of this series of how to make a mandala from scratch. Till then, take care everyone.